Hello everyone, my name is Diptendu Acharya. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail. Mocktail name is Guava Sling Mocktail. This is the refreshment mocktail you can try. How to make Guava Sling Mocktail? For Guava Sling Mocktail you need lime cordial, Guava crush or syrup, Monster Ultra, Sprite and soda. First of all, take a one glass, add some ice cube, then you can add some lime cordial, then you can add some Guava crush and add some Monster and Sprite. So this is the Monster and soda. You can garnish the mocktail also. Okay. Then simply stir with the help of bar spoon. We need some more guava crush for this mocktail because I add less ice cube. Then stir. Okay. This is the Goa Sling mocktail is ready. Thank you very much for watching my video.